Let me today tell you story of a young guy in his 20s who, when consulted for baldness, actually had a receding hairline going much towards the top of the head. So his birth temples were deep and the hair in the front was sparse. At that point of time, he was so disappointed. He wanted a good hairline. He wanted filled temples and dense anterior part. So frontal hairline along with a little part of top. He wanted a better looking face with a proper hairline. So with him, he brought disappointment, despair, frustration. I wear best of my clothes. I get ready for a party, but hair, you cannot do anything about it. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm American board certified hair transplant surgeon working at Saraswat Hospital Agra. Let us discuss today a young guy, Norwood grade 3, whom we transformed after hair transplant. Why hair transplant was needed, what else was needed, we will discuss in a very short while. But in my experience of seeing more than 1,000 patients of hair loss till now, I must tell you that there is a point where we suggest hair transplant and there is a point where we suggest only medical treatment. If you are worried about your hair loss or you want to know more about hair transplant, do click the subscribe button because here we will provide you real science-packed guidance. This, as I told you and you can see on your screen, this guy had lost his frame of face, so he wanted a better hairline and filled up temples so that he looks better and confident. Before hair transplant, he wanted to know, doctor, how would I look after I get my hair transplant done? Saraswat Hospital App gave him this answer. So he took the test on the PeekAI feature and he submitted his photographs just front and top. Within 24 to 48 hours, he was able to receive his probable results pictures. Along with that, we gave him approximate number of grafts that would be required by him and also a set of questions, answers to which he must discuss with his doctor so that he gets to know what all things are to be done and how he will participate in his hair transplant procedure. Do not forget to click the like button if you're learning something new. Let us see what he had to say about his hair transplant before he went for the hair transplant surgery.
हाय, मेरा नाम अनिल है और मैं राजपुर चुंगी क्षेत्र से हूँ, आगरा से। 3-4 सालों से मेरा हेयर लॉस है और मैंने काफ़ी ट्रीटमेंट्स लिए, मेडिसिन वगैरह ली, ऑयल वगैरह, ऑयल, सीरम, शैम्पू, ये सारी चीज़ें यूज़ की, लेकिन कोई भी फ़र्क नहीं मिला उनसे। उसके बाद मेरे एक नॉन है अमित, उन्होंने मुझे हॉस्पिटल सारस्वत के बारे में बताया और फिर मैं यहाँ पे कंसल्टेशन के लिए आया। मुझे डॉक्टर से मुलाकात की, उनसे मुझे कंसल्टेशन करने के बाद में काफ़ी मोटिवेशन मिला और उनके रिजल्ट्स देख करके मुझे अच्छा लगा। तो आज मैं अपना हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट के लिए आया हुआ हूँ और आज ट्रांसप्लांट करने के बाद देखते हैं मेरा रिजल्ट कैसा रहता है।
Now you see on your screen how this patient was prepared for the surgery, how the markings were done, how the shaving of hair was done, how the local anesthesia was given along with the vibration device so that the pain which is felt during the local anesthesia, though it is given by a very fine needle, is reduced to a minimum. Also, tumescence is given. Now we are ready to hear what our patient had to say after his surgery.
हेलो दोस्तों, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि आज मैं सारस्वत हॉस्पिटल में हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट के लिए आया हुआ था और मेरा ट्रांसप्लांट हो चुका है। जैसे कि मैंने ट्रांसप्लांट से पहले मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वसनेस और बहुत ज़्यादा घबराहट सी हो रही थी, लेकिन ट्रांसप्लांट इतना अच्छा हुआ कि मुझे बिल्कुल ही फील नहीं हुआ, ना कोई पेन, ना ही ब्लीडिंग और बीच में तो इतना अच्छा था कि मैं सो गया था। लेकिन स्टाफ से बातें करना और डॉक्टर साहब का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा। स्टाफ ने पूरा कोऑपरेट किया और बहुत आराम से सारी चीज़ें हुई हैं और अभी मेरा ट्रांसप्लांट अभी कंप्लीट हो चुका है और मैं पूरे स्टाफ को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा, बहुत अच्छे से कोऑपरेट किया और डॉक्टर साहब को भी थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा। डॉक्टर साहब ने बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस के साथ में मेरा काम किया।
Thus you saw that he was nervous in the beginning, but he was very comfortable during the time of procedure. On your screen now you can see the various trichoscopic findings, according to which we decided that we would need around 2,400 grafts for him, and these many grafts were implanted on the recipient area. Depending upon the specific areas, we decided where to put the softer single grafts which were in the frontal hairline and then where to put the 2, 3, 4 head grafts which was usually in the center, and accordingly, very artistically, we had to put these grafts so that the result becomes very natural. Here on your screen you can see his picture pictures 3 months after surgery, now 4.5 months after surgery, and now 6 months after surgery. Though only 6 months have passed, you can see such good framework of face is there and the patient is absolutely happy and satisfied. If you want to know something about your hair transplant, you can ask in the comment section below, or you can WhatsApp us your pictures or call us for consultation on these numbers. Do not forget to appreciate the combing video of patient and also see the donor area looks very natural even after we have taken out 2400 grafts from the donor area. If somebody is looking for hair transplant, do not forget to share this video with them. If you want to know hair transplant process step by step, how is it done, click the link on the right.